Hey, fifth graders, we are going to do a crash course on these decimal numbers, and today we're going to compare them, and then I'm going to give you a short tidbit on ordering them. But before I get into that fifth grade math, I wanted to start with a quick review from second grade, because second grade was probably the first time you've seen these cute little guys. I know when I used to teach second grade, I used these cute little guys to do it. So this is greater than, this is less than, and then equal to. An easy way to remember this is the teeth want the bigger number. This is an alligator, and as it preys and hunts for its food, it is looking for the bigger animal to eat, okay? So remember, its teeth always face the big animal to eat. Now, these are just regular non-decimal numbers. When you compare all numbers, even those with decimals, you always start with the digit in the front because it has the most value. So let's do that today. We have 3 and 4. Now, if we were to compare 3 and 4, which one is bigger? Well, 4 is bigger. 4 is bigger than 3. Now remember, that alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So I'm going to make the alligator facing with teeth so we can remember the bigger number, which is 4. So 362 is less than 462. Next, let's start in the front. Start at the digit in the front because it has the most value. So 7 and 7 are equal. 5 and 5 are equal. 9 and 9 are equal. That's all the digits inside of those numbers. So these numbers are equal. So now I hope that helped you remember, because now it's time to get back to the fifth grade math, you guys. Time to get back to fifth grade. We are going to compare some decimal numbers here, but the same rule applies. You start in the front, start with a digit in the front when comparing numbers. So there's a 3 and a 3. They're the same. Let's keep going. 4, 4. Same, keep going. 5, 5. Still the same. Let's keep going. Decimal point, still the same. 9, 9, still the same. 6, 8. This is where it got different. 6 and 8. Which one has more value? Which one is bigger? Well, the 8 is bigger. It has more value. So we want to make sure our hungry alligator eats the 8, the one that was bigger. All right, now let's go down to the second question here. Remember, always start in the front because that is the digit with the most value. 6 and 6, 5 and 5, decimal point, still the same. All right, 2 and 3, now they're different. Is 2 or 3 bigger? Well, 3 is more than 2. So there we go. All right, let's clear off these drawings. We have one more to go over here. I wanted to briefly show you about ordering these decimal numbers. So we're going to do them from least to greatest. Least is small, like low to the ground. Greatest is gigantic, like huge, like an elephant. So we're going to go from least to greatest. And again, we're going to start in the front of these numbers. 3, 3, 8, and 0. Well, 0 is the smallest. So we're going to start with 0.7 being the least. All right. And then we have 3, 3, and 8. Okay, so the 3s are less than 8. So now we have to figure out which one of these decimal 3s are smaller. So we got 3.4 and 3.2. Well, 2 is smaller than 4. So we have 3.2 next. All righty. Next up, we have 3.4 and 8.6 left. Well, 3 is less than 8. So 3.4. And lastly, 8.6. That is how you order the decimals. All right, you guys. So I hope this was super helpful for you. I hope you feel a little smarter today, but that is your math talk with Mrs. Riley. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.